Hi everyone, this is a video of Jim's QuadraFire 800 model pellet stove controller. Jim sent this to me for repairs. It had some issues and I believe I've taken care of those. So we'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do turn it on the test fixture, we'll see that the igniter simulator, the light bulb, the combustion fan, and the auger motor will all come on, because my thermostat will be calling for heat, and we'll see that in the green light. So I'm at a little bit lower than room temperature right here, so when I turn it on, all three lights should come on, and there we have it. The on power up like this, the igniter should stay on for approximately 8 minutes, and then for about 2.5 minutes, depending on the timing circuit, the auger will stay on and feed pellets into the pot. That means that the pellets will be fed in, the element will be warming up, and the fire will start smoldering. You may have seen on this one, I've noted that the green light comes on at 290 degrees Fahrenheit, and the red light comes on at 1130. So as I turn up my temperature to 290 or thereabouts, I'll be able to see the green light. So I'm at 280 right here. And let's see if I crank it up a little higher, will we see the green light? There it is, the green light off, on, off, on. So that really doesn't do anything to the three light status. But as I increase the temperature up to my 1130 degrees Fahrenheit point, we'll see that the igniter lamp will go off, so that'll turn off the element. So let me crank that up. 1130 is my target. I'm approaching it. There we go. The element light has gone off. The auger continues to feed pellets into the fire pit. The fire is roaring at 1147 degrees, and everything is normal. We should be in this steady state until the room warms up and the temperature of the room heats up to the point where the thermostat gets shut off. And we'll simulate that now. There goes the light. The thermostat is no longer calling for heat, and the auger is not running. If the fire still stays hot and the room temperature cools quickly, the auger comes back on. That's what I expect to see. Now, if I were to drop this down to below 1130 for my red light to disappear, we'll see that again the element comes on to heat the fire. So if I were to say that the room temperature is too hot, we turn off the thermostat, the heater element shuts off, and so does the auger. Now if I'm at 1050, which is below my red light point, because we're not seeing the red light on, but we are seeing the green. If I turn the thermostat on again, the igniter should come back on, and so will the auger. And it'll stay in this mode until room temperature or the fire heats up. Fire heats up to 1130 degrees or more and shuts off the igniter. So that's it. Everything seems to be functioning correctly on pellet controller number 1. Thanks, Jim.